Yo, 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 yo! We are live, guys. Let's see, are we live? We should be live. There we are. Yo, 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 what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another NLF stream. Welcome back to another NLF stream. Oh my day. Hold on, let me fix my mic, chat.
Alright, that's better. Alright, that's better. Yo. Alright, that's better. Yo. Alright, that's better. Hello, hello, hello? Yo. Hello, hello, hello? Yo. Hello, hello, hello? Hello, hello, hello? Yo, 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 yo. Hello, hello, hello? Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Hello, 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 hello? Yo, 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 yo. Hello, 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 hello? Okay. Hello, no, we're good. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another NLF live stream. Glad to have you all here. Let me fix the screen so you guys can see my trading view. There you go. Sorry, guys, I just got a new PC. Wait. Let me. Oh, I gotta send the announcement as well. All right. Give me one sec, guys. I just got. No, let me change the camera. Let me change the camera placement. Maybe like here. Okay, so how the fuck should I do this now? Okay. Make this a bit higher up. There we go. That camera angle should be better. No, what the fuck? The camera angle was not better at all. Is that better? A bit more to the left. There we go. Alright, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream here on NextLevelFunded's YouTube channel. Let me perhaps make myself a bit bigger. There you go. Sorry for the inconvenience. I just got a new PC, so I had to set everything up. If you guys look at this look at this beast right here. Damn. Okay. Oh my god. So yeah, I just got a new PC. That's why everything took so long to set up. But we're here. Not that I'm on time always, anyways. But I took the same trade. Let's go, Elias. My guy. I have to respond to you on Discord. I saw your message. Sorry, I'll get back to you. So you got the payout though. Let's fucking go. Another awesome day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cool. Damn, my hairline is always showing, guys. I don't like the fact that my hairline is always showing. Yeah, so let's look at some AUDUSD. I had to straighten AUDUSD as well. Not bad. Stop loss would have been a bit slow. Hopefully everybody's on the right stream, because I do think there's another stream that is. You have to remove that. People are still waiting. I can't believe people are still waiting on that shit. Let me remove that stream. There you go. See where we're at. All right. Support Bard as he's supporting us with great insight by hitting the like button. Let's go, my guy. Good analysis for the market. I haven't even started analyzing yet, but thank you. Bard ASMR. Is my mic that? Wait, y'all can hear when I wait. That. Wait, y'all can hear when I wait. That. Wait, y'all can hear when I. No, you can't. Setup tour. It's nothing crazy, to be honest. I don't know how to do that because my camera is. It's just my. Okay, let me see. So I'll do this. I'll record like this. All right, so here's the setup basically. So you have camera right there, 2 monitors. There's the chart. There's you guys. This PC right here. Sticky notes. Mouse, wireless mouse. Keyboard, and then 3 glasses of water. I don't know why I have 3 glasses. And yeah, that's it. Very simple, straightforward setup. All right, let me show y'all now. Yo, I'm fucking 200 IQ, guys. Yeah, very simple, straightforward. Two monitors, 27 inch, 280 hertz. Then my PC, don't really know the specs to be honest. And then what else do I got? Yeah, wireless mount. Yeah, you guys know it. Anyways, it works. It works for trading and sometimes a bit of playing games. I don't play games too much anymore, but when I do have time, I definitely play. Get a 49 inch. I had a 49 inch. I had an ultra wide, but I didn't like it. I don't know why. I like having two monitors, like two separate monitors instead of having three. And I don't know why. There's something so much better about it. Because like having one monitor, it's like everything is in the same place. Whereas if you have two monitors, if you have two monitors, it's like it's easier to snap things in place. It's like things are more divided. If you want to work on two different projects, I just like two monitors more. Good environment for trading, yeah. Sleek, yeah. That was my goal. I wanted to make it as, low key as possible. Cost for this all, maybe like between 4 and 5K. Oops. For the faithful, a little kiss could be. It could not be. Bard. What the fuck does that even mean? Gold free fall. All right, let's go through. Let's do some analysis here, guys. So let's start with the beloved gold. Gold is currently ping-ponging. Ooh, very strong area on gold right here. So gold is currently ping-ponging between these areas right here. So we have a very, very, very strong support or resistance right there. And we have a pretty strong support as well right here. So currently gold is ping-ponging between these two areas. Now, I wouldn't touch gold until you see a breakout. It did grab liquidity right here above these two highs. Therefore, I do think if you close below this area on gold, you should see a pretty hefty dump. So sells below gold, or sells below 5,047.3 on gold to come down. That's my analysis, really. I don't really have any other analysis than that. That is if we close below. Remember, guys, you need to closure below. If you close respecting, then that might indicate a rejection. Therefore, we want it to close below because that would indicate us coming down. Bro, I'll also trade on AED USD. Could you take a look at it? Why it didn't work? Yeah, I already know why it didn't work. So I'm guessing you took. I'm guessing you took this buy right here. Right? I'm guessing you took that buy right there. Now, the reason this didn't work is because you had way too little breathing room. So, if we take it with normal breathing room, so for AUD USD, it's between 2.5 to 4 pips breathing room, right? So, if you use 2.5 to 4 pips breathing room, and we see, all right, let's do from the low here, and let's do from this low, let's do 2.5 breathing room. 2.5 breathing room is right there. All right, and that's being conservative. Like you'd ideally want between 3 and 4. So if you had the stop loss there, you would have survived. See? But you had no breathing room. Therefore, you were liquidity. That's why we have breathing room. The reason we have breathing room is so we don't get caught up in any liquidity, because price always likes to grab lows or grab highs before moving in another direction. Or it doesn't always do that, but there's a high probability that it does. And when it does do that, we want to be safe. Therefore, we do have breathing room. So that is why, bro. Please, Bart, is it advisable to use your phone for analysis of trading? Not without experience. I'd say if you want to use your phone, you need experience. You definitely need experience. Buys on gold now. Hold on. Let me put my camera a bit lower, to be honest. I don't like that angle that much. A bit lower than that, maybe? Okay, that's better. I like that more. My gold buy limit is on 1552. Am I getting cooked? Yes, you're cooked. 50. Why is Professor always cooked? We should change the name of Professor, man. This guy is not. Why is Professor always cooked? Every single time I start stream, this guy is in a bad position somehow. My gold buy limit is on 50, 52.22. 50, 52.22. 50, 50, 52.22. 50, 52.22. Oh, so you just missed it. You would have been in good profit now, but you just missed it. Bummer. Too bad, bro. He's a stain on the name, Professor. Yo, you're not living up to the name, Professor. You gotta do something about that, bro. Bro, this hairline? Switch shot. All right. Let's look at some other pairs. Do we got any other plays on any other pairs? UJ had a beautiful, 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 beautiful entry right there. As we can see. UJ. So 4:45 a.m. No, that was his loss in UJ right there. Unfortunately. You're looking good, thank you. Thank you. I really needed that comment. I feel like my hairline is farther back today than normal. Okay. Your USD is looking really bullish. It's looking really, really bullish. So you had on the 4 hour, basically. On the 4 hour, you had created this imbalance to the upside. So you have some structure here. Then you created this imbalance to the upside, right? The imbalance was to around here. Then you filled the imbalance, right? This was imbalance. Then you filled the whole imbalance. After you filled the imbalance, you did see a rejection off of this zone right here, which seems to be a pretty strong decision area. Yeah, it's a very strong decision area. Look at this. Boom, right there. Very strong decision area. Price rejected off of that perfectly. Since it rejected off of that area and then started creating this sort of consolidation, you want to see a breakout to the upside, and then you'll probably see a push up. The 30-minute currently consolidating. Just made this slight BOS here, but it does look good to flip. The 15 is all time frames consolidating. I would wait for a break above this area on your USD. If you see a break above this area, then you could consider buys. It is, bro. It is, bro. Try using minoxidil. Yeah, I gotta do that shit, bro. Honestly. Hold on, let me cover it up. Let me cover it up. Okay. We covered it up a bit, chat. We covered it up a bit. Hey, which is more volatile, gold or US30? Gold, I think. Gold is more volatile right now. Gold, there's nothing compared to gold. Let's see what we should do today. So, also, guys, who here supports me? Because I don't see enough people using code BARD. You guys have to remember, if you use code BARD, if you guys use code BARD, you can get 50% off any account. BARD with capital letters. Apply coupon, look. Oh, it's already applied. Let me remove it, let me apply it again. Look. Apply coupon, BARD. $200 off. You get half the price of the accounts if you use code BARD. Now, I know what you're going to say. Oh, but we can use BOGO50 as well. Listen, BOGO50 ain't going to help anybody, alright? If you use code BARD, that's going to help me. So, use code BARD, please. I'll be very thankful. And then, also, we got another code called let's remove BARD. Again, BARD is insane. But we got another code called no split. If you use code no split, guys, what happens is you get 50% off. But another thing that happens is you get 100% profit split. 100% profit split. Which means that if you pass an account and you get funded, you get to keep every single dollar that you make. Crazy. So no split better, not gonna lie. Look, I'd rather have 80% profit split and support BARD than to have 100% profit split, but I don't get anything for it. You know? That's what I would say. I mean, that's just my personal opinion, though. I mean, if you guys want to be dickheads and not use code BARD, you can be that, but I'm gonna be very disappointed. No, I'm kidding. Of course, you guys can use whichever code you want. No way, let's buy using code BARD for 50. Exactly, that's the spirit, Professor. Code BARD, 50% off any account plus a free account when you purchase. So you get 2 accounts for the cost of half of one. Like, I don't know where else you'd find a deal like that, to be honest. Also, biggest payout of the week. Biggest payout of the week, guys, is $8,000. We got an $8,000 payout to the main man, Ilyas, who's actually one of my the guys who trades my strategy. So, congratulations, Ilyas, for getting the biggest payout of this week. $8,000 straight to his bank with NextLevelFunded. Congratulations. But yeah, crazy. Crazy. Good shit, bro. Really proud of that guy. Also trading the no-wick strategy. So, yeah. Unfortunately, he's rinsing my prop firm, though. you know, this, I gotta stop doing this, guys. I swear, if you guys are learning the no-wick strategy, if you guys are learning my strategy, please go to another prop firm, all right? I don't want you trading. I don't want you getting money from the prop firm, from our prop firm. Go rinse other prop firms. You know, we want to beat other prop firms, so we send our best traders so they can rinse their money, and obviously we pay our best traders as well. if they deserve it. But yeah, this is good job with this. But yeah, anyways, guys, I think that's it for the codes. Also, yeah, the 110 giveaway on X is finished, and the winners have been announced. I'm sorry, no worries. Don't worry, bro. You deserved it, man. You deserved it. Well deserved. Okay, let's get into the charts now, guys. Remember, use code BARD, 50% off any account plus free account when you purchase. Also, if you use code NOSPLIT, you also get a 100% payout split and 50% off as well. Important. Very, very, very important. Let's see. GU is just pushing up currently. Quite a beautiful, beautiful trade on GU. Oh, potential entry here on GU that I'll be looking to take. I'll be looking to take something like this. This is a 30-minute candle as well, but it still looks very good. I will surely withdraw my biggest amount from NLF. How am I not among the 110 winners? Bad luck. As for me, I want some trading conditions to be changed and not discount profit split. Well, you have to. I mean, the trading conditions are there for a reason. It's for us to be able to identify the most secure and best traders. Now, if the trading conditions are an issue for you, unfortunately, you're not a profitable trader from NLF's perspective, right? Because you see payouts every single day, every single week. You see people making 8K payouts. So it definitely works. You just have to build a strategy and have the right mindset to be able to trade the conditions that we have here at NLF. But again, there's no such thing as, oh, these rules are bad. It's just, can you adapt to the rules? You know the rules. It's not like the rules are new. So the 2 minutes is actually perturbed. What does perturbed mean? Perturbed. I don't know what that means. Never heard of it. If you are profitable, most of these rules shouldn't even bother you. Exactly. Like if you're a genuinely profitable trader, like the most profitable traders complain the least about rules. I hope that's So if you find yourself complaining about rules a lot, chances are you're not as profitable as you might think you are. Because I know profitable traders and they rarely complain about the rules. It's because they have common sense, which means that they know, all right, I read the rules, I understand the rules, and I apply it, right? I apply the necessary strategy to follow the rules. They know that. Therefore, that's like what an irrational person do. What an irrational person do is just buy an account without reading the rules, maybe reading 1 or 2 rules, and then thinking that it's the same rules like on another prop firm, trading the account, getting breached because of a rule break, and then being like, oh shit, oh this rule is ass. You had the rule there before you bought the account. Why did you not read the rules before you bought the account? You know? So, you know, that's a pattern that I've found, is that most profitable traders never really complain about the rules. Yo, this new Windows update is ass, guys. Honestly, I like Windows like 10 more than 11. Let's see if this 15 wants to close. I might actually enter a position here, guys. If this 15-minute candle wants to close. We do have a decision area here, though. Ideal, listen, guys, ideal, insane play would be closure above this zone, this decision area, retrace back. That would have been an A+ setup. If I get that setup, guys, I'm a full margin. What pairs do you trade? I trade AUD USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. Those are the 3 pairs I trade. I'm currently looking at AUD JPY because I've heard that's a very good pair. Gold, I just look at gold. I don't really trade it. I just like to see what kind of fuckery it does. And then GR40 I look at sometimes. I don't really trade it. DXY also something that I look at. So yeah. What's good, man? Been a long time. Hey, bro. How you doing? Nice to join live stream with you, sir. Thank you. Nice to have you here as well, sir. Bard, what is 3 profitable days in NLF? How much profit we make count as 1 profitable day? So 1 profitable day is a profitable day. A profitable day is a profit, so it doesn't really matter how much you make as long as you're net positive for the day. That's a profitable day. Obviously, if you haven't broken any rules. The last time I needed just $50, and because of the 2 minutes rule, the $50 hit, but I couldn't take it and it went against me and I was angry and it hit my stop loss. So here's the thing with that, bro. I'm gonna ask you one thing, Richard, and you have to be honest with me. Did you over risk on that trade? Did you over risk on that trade just to make that $50 quickly? FSH, I don't know why it's showing my full ass government name. Oh, okay, now I know you. I recognize you first. I was like, who's this? I recognize the name because I knew I recognize an Albanian name, but I didn't know it was you. How's it been going, bro? How's trading been? 10 for 10, that wasn't my question, Richard. I was asking, did you over risk on that trade? 0.25% for 1 and 2 step. Okay, so yeah, professor corrected me. So yeah, to count as a profitable day, you need 0.25% for a 1 and 2 step, 0.1% for a 3 step, and 0.5% at least for an instant account. If you reach those metrics, then it is counted as a profitable day. Good man, I'm really starting to get some payouts now. Still not that consistent, but working on it. Sorry, I was reading the message below. ADHD kicking in. You're right. You're right. Once you enter a previous no-wick, I didn't see it. I did not see it. Yeah, just keep working. FSH. Bart, please can you help me on what to do to meet the 2-minute rule? Because I don't set SL and TP again in my trade and it has caused me to lose my 3 of my accounts. What about the 2-minute rule? Well, try to trade a higher time frame if you can. That'd be ideal. You know, if you're trading the 1 minute or 2 minute time frame or 3 minute time frame, of course you're gonna miss out on the 1 or 2 minute rule, or on the 2 minute rule. So try to do that. Don't trade without a stop loss. That's for sure. I can't hear you well. Sorry. Can you guys hear me now? Is my mic good? I'm about to get my next level account thanks to this guy, BardFX. Love you, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate the support. Good shit. Fire. No, I'm seeing a lot of people. It feels like the trading community is like, I feel like price action is really good for almost all strategies at the moment. Use code BARDOC? No, use code BARD. Capital letters BARD. I've been watching all your stuff. Let's go. I'm super happy to hear that. I'm glad the strategy is treating you well. Bro, the previous no valid setup and what should be the stop loss? For this trade, so this is not a valid entry here. It's not a valid entry, and the reason it's not a valid entry is because you started creating some sort of an internal downtrend. Right? So as you see, you started creating these highs and lows. Right? And then you broke this low again, and therefore this is not a valid entry. Because the trend was not clear enough. So you had like uptrend, and you started doing this. So here you don't want to take any buys within this internal downtrend. That ain't tough, bro. It wasn't meant to be tough, alright? Y'all really haters for real. But please, I didn't get help. What do I do with the 2 minutes rule without setting my stop loss or TP? What do you mean without setting my stop loss or TP? You need a stop loss or and TP. What time is it for you? It is 3:46 p.m. I usually go into Lion's chart to identify my trends sometimes itself. Yeah, smart. Smart. So you can go, you can do this, guys. Bam. Right, and here it might be easier to see the trend. Smart. Wow. Ooh. Hold on now, chat. Why is this really good trend indicator? Or not trend, really good way of looking at the trend. Damn. Yo, there are all these different types of ways of looking at the chart. Oh my days. What the fuck is this? Yo, we're playing 4 in a row, guys. Snake? Anybody want to play Snake? Time volume 4. I've heard the footprint charts are like good, or like people trade them. I don't know, guys. Let's just stick with a normal candle so we don't get off track here. Is it LGBTQ plus? Please, where are you having live stream? I mean, which country? Why do you want to know that, Richard? Are you gonna haunt me? Are you trying to come to my doorstep? Yeah, I'm in Sweden. I'm in the great, beautiful country of Sweden. He wants me hunt. I think he wants to hunt me down for the 2-minute rule. Listen, bro, I didn't create the 2-minute rule. I'm not the creator of it. You don't punish me. This is my 2nd month trading. I knew I'd picked a good strat. Luckily, I came across this man here. Damn, 2nd month trading, already looking to get a funded. Let's go. That is really impressive. Really, bro, you got the best passport. Is it really a Swedish passport good? What's the best passport? What's the best passport? Singapore. Wow. Japan. Oh, Switzerland is. Oh, Sweden is good. Never mind. Sweden is good, actually. Swedish. Oh, Sweden is in 3rd place. Okay. Nice. Let's go. Netherlands, Luxembourg, Ireland, Finland, Austria, Spain. France? What? I would not have France that high up. Why is France a good passport? That's a failed country. Awesome. After getting my 100K account and passing it, I'll be there for a tour. You don't gotta come here, bro. There's nothing to see here. You know, I think where you are is a really good place. I think you should stay there and appreciate it more. Nigeria is good too. What? Oh, United Arab Emirates is maybe better. Where is Nigeria actually? Nigeria. I don't know about all that, bro. I'll be honest. I don't know about all that, bro. You guys are at 88th place, so yeah, I wouldn't be too. I know it's in Africa. You guys think I'm retarded or something? Of course, I know it's in Africa. Yeah, I mean, you can clearly see why this like, I mean, the kind of the war-torn, poor countries are like the worst passports, of course. Chad. Chad? What the fuck is Chad? I don't know. Where is Kosovo? There we are. I mean, yeah, not too good, to be honest. We're at 54th place. Could be better. Where's Guyana? Is it in Africa? I think it's in Africa. Qatar? I thought Qatar would be. Albania. Alright, Albania's pretty low as well. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with Sweden, to be honest. 5th place. Malaysia. Malaysia, 3rd place. I did not expect that. Okay, never mind. We got a bit sidetracked there, you guys. My bad. Gotham chess? What? Gotham passport. What is that? Gotham. Like Giga Chad lives there. I think so. XAU use this limit triggered. Am I cooked now? Hold on, you didn't even trigger it yet. You didn't even come down to tap it yet. Bard, please, what happens if 50% of my trades is closed under minutes? I can't answer that, Richard, because I'm not... So, when it comes to NLF, guys, I'm mostly on the marketing side. I'm not really too involved with the risk and with the technical stuff. So, if you have one of those questions where it's like, oh, what about this payout, or what about this rule, and your questions regarding rules or anything like that, please don't ask me, because you'll get the wrong answer. Is Core Pay legit? I've never used it. Yo, can you explain the payout? Which method do you use? Prepaid, cryptocurrency option? You can use whichever you'd like. I mean, that's up to you. I mean, I can't really say it. I used to use crypto, but there's not one that's better. They're both kind of equal. It just depends on where you want your money. Where will the stop loss be for this trade? There. That would be the trade. I've just never used it. Yeah, I understand. But it's easy. Crypto is super easy. You can even, like, you guys know, Revolut. Revolut is like an internet bank, really good internet bank. You could use Revolut to Revolut, and on Revolut they have like a really simple and easy crypto way of buying and selling crypto. So you could use Revolut, or you could also open Coinbase. Pretty much. Can you withdraw from there to bank account? Yeah. You can. I mean, Revolut is very simple. You basically have your crypto, and you can exchange your crypto into real money on the bank, and then you can withdraw that, send that to whatever bank you want. Very simple. I would really recommend Revolut, guys, to be honest, if you guys want to, have a good place to buy crypto and also have a secure and good internet bank, especially if you travel a lot. I just want to let you know that you've inspired the hell out of me, young entrepreneurs. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I'm happy. I'm very happy I can inspire you. That is something that fulfills me a lot, inspiring people to change, make change, and live the life that they want to live and work towards it. That's one of the things that I'm proud of, if I can say that. Oh my days. This looks like a good sell here on gold, guys, to be honest. If you close below here on the 1 hour, if you close below here on the 1 hour and the 30 minute, it looks like a really good sell. To be honest. And yeah, Professor is cooked. Professor, how do you always find yourself in this kind of pickle, man? How is that possible? Can you tell me, what are you doing? Right? Someone must have put a voodoo spell on you, bro, because every single time I open stream, Professor is in the shit. He's in the mud somehow. Crazy. Anyways, guys. It is time. 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 It is time to spin the wheel and win some cheese. Roar. Roar. Okay. There's the form, guys. Go fill in that form and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Fill it only once, otherwise I will come to your door. So fill that form only one time and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Your some of the viewers increased. I wonder why. I wonder why. All right, I'll give you guys another minute. Oh, of course, we got people that responded. Of course, we got people that responded twice. Amina2645, what is your problem? All right. Are you guys ready? Bam. Bam. So, we're going to give away today. We're going to give away 4 10Ks and 6 5K accounts. So, let's start. So, the first winner of a $5,000 account is ManYurk05. Congratulations, ManYurk05. You won yourself a 5K account with NextLevelFunded. Next winner for a $5,000 funded account with NextLevelFunded is Charisma Kau. Congratulations, Charisma. You won yourself a 5K account with NextLevelFunded. Please open a ticket on Discord. Tell them I sent you, and you will receive your account. Next winner is Aben Ezer 0563. Congratulations, Aben. You have won yourself a 5K account with NextLevelFunded. All right, we got three more winners. Let's go through this quickly, guys, because I gotta eat. Gospel 7. Congratulations, Gospel. You won yourself a $5,000 account with NextLevelFunded. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2 more left. Ayope9120. You have won yourself a $5,000 account with NextLevelFunded. Congratulations. Open a ticket on Discord. Tell them I sent you, and you'll receive your 5K account, and trade responsibly. Alright, Tarun X Trades. You got trades in the name, so hopefully you can trade. Because you just won yourself a $5,000 account with NextLevelFunded. Congratulations. That is all for the 5K accounts, boys. Now we got 10K accounts coming up next. $10,000 accounts with NextLevelFunded. First winner is... This is for 10,000. Bikram Kawar. Congratulations, Bikram. You have won yourself a $10,000 account. Boom, boom, boom. Next winner in line is... The Epic Man. Cool name. The Epic Man. Congratulations. You have won a $10,000 account with NextLevelFunded. Open a ticket on Discord. By the way, these are all Discord names, guys, that I'm putting in here. So, Gospel, thank you. I appreciate it. Of course. Thanks. You're welcome. Next winner is Sabood56. Congratulations, Sabood. You have won yourself a 5K account with NextLevelFunded. Alright, 10K account. Apologies. And the last winner for a $10,000 account. The last winner is... Hats_1. Congratulations, Hats_1. You have won the last $10,000 account that we'll give away today. Anyways, guys, that's it for the giveaways. GU is slowly coming down, which is nice for us. Might take a buy here. Gold, look for sells on gold. Not yet. Don't look for sells. Never mind, you close respecting. So don't look for sells on gold yet. Just wait for closure below here in this area. Other than that, guys, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for being here. Remember, use code BARD, capital letters BARD, to get 50% off plus a free account when you purchase on nextlevelfunded.com. Other than that, I don't have much to say. I appreciate y'all. Go trade responsibly and have a good one. Goodbye.